Imagine a car that never needs fuel, never needs charging, and can drive indefinitely, powered by nothing but the invisible energy around us. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's no longer just a concept. Zimbabwean inventor Maxwell Chikumbutso has not only built this groundbreaking self-powered car, but has now officially launched mass production. At a recent event in Harare, Zimbabwe, Chikumbutso showcased his revolutionary energy-powered devices, attracting interest from buyers across the world. Despite skepticism from the scientific community, Chikumbutso stands firm, citing his extensive experience with top engineers and scientists. So, is this truly the next great energy revolution, one that could disrupt industries, challenge physics, and reshape the world? Or is it too good to be true? In this video, we'll break down the story behind the inventor, the science, or mystery, of his technology, and the global impact of this shocking new development. Stay with us as we uncover the truth behind the car that could change everything. Maxwell Chikumbutso, a Zimbabwean inventor, has a story that defies all odds. Born in Harare, he dropped out of school at just 14 due to financial struggles. But that didn't stop him. His mind was always racing with ideas, many of which, he says, came to him in the night. He believes his knowledge is a gift from God, allowing him to create groundbreaking innovations. His journey began in the 1990s when he started building gadgets, and in 1999, he made history by developing the first radio frequency transmitter in Kawazana. From 2007 to 2020, he went on to invent 7 revolutionary technologies, including a digital navigator, a turbine engine, and a drone. In 2013, he founded Seth Technologies, a company that pushed the boundaries of innovation with autonomous drones, helicopters, and even an electric vehicle in 2015. But his journey wasn't without danger. While in the US, he and his business partner were poisoned. His partner tragically didn't survive, but Chikumbutso did. He suspects that powerful oil and automotive industries were behind the attack, fearing the impact of his disruptive technology. Now, his latest breakthrough, a self-powered car, is not just making headlines, it has entered mass production. Following a highly publicized demonstration at the Zimbabwe State House on January 29th, where he showcased the car to President Emerson Mnangagwa, Chikumbutso has now begun selling and distributing his energy-powered devices. The demand is already growing, with buyers from Zimbabwe, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and even Europe securing units. Despite skepticism from the scientific community, Chikumbutso remains confident in his technology, asserting that he has worked with top scientists and engineers to refine his breakthrough. His latest invention, the Microsonic Energy Device, challenges everything we know about energy generation. At its core, this technology claims to harness radio frequencies from the environment and convert them into direct, usable power, without the need for traditional fuel sources or external charging. This is groundbreaking because, until now, the laws of thermodynamics have made it nearly impossible to capture and amplify radio frequency energy at a scale large enough to power something as energy-intensive as a car. There is an established scientific argument that radio frequency energy exists in extremely small amounts, measured in nanovolts, which means the energy needed to convert it would typically be greater than what is captured. However, Chikumbutso claims to have overcome this challenge. His breakthrough comes from developing 70% of the components himself, which allow his device to capture a wide range of frequencies from natural and artificial sources, including communication signals, satellite transmissions, and cosmic radiation. By combining this with his greener power off-grid machine, he has reportedly found a way to amplify and stabilize the harvested energy. While the exact mechanism remains undisclosed, classified as a trade secret, this system allegedly generates enough power not only to drive an electric vehicle, but also to serve as a portable generator, capable of supplying homes with electricity. However, the scientific community remains highly skeptical. The laws of physics dictate that energy cannot be created from nothing, and scaling up such a system to power a car would be an extraordinary feat. When Chikumbutso attempted to file for a patent, it was rejected on the grounds that it violates the fundamental laws of physics. Instead, he opted for a trade secret approach, keeping the technology's core principles undisclosed. If true, this invention has massive global implications. It could disrupt the fossil fuel industry, reduce dependence on oil, and accelerate efforts against climate change. However, history has shown that such breakthroughs often face resistance. Chikumbutso's Seth car has stunned the world with its claim of unlimited driving range, a vehicle that never needs to be recharged, refueled, or plugged in. Powered by his Microsonic Energy Device, this self-sustaining electric vehicle allegedly harnesses ambient radio frequencies and converts them into usable energy, defying the limitations of conventional battery electric vehicles. Following its showcase at the Zimbabwe State House, Chikumbutso has now begun mass production, with international buyers already securing units, and some machines have already been sold. This marks a historic moment, not only for Zimbabwe, but potentially for the entire energy and transportation industry. If Chikumbutso's technology is truly what he claims, it could reshape global energy consumption, challenge major industries, and redefine how we think about power itself. However, as history has shown, groundbreaking inventions often come with challenges, skepticism, and resistance from powerful forces. The question remains, is this the energy revolution we've been waiting for, or just another unsolved mystery? The Seth car, developed in partnership with Chinese automaker Kai, boasts impressive performance specs. It is powered by a 160-kilowatt electric motor that produces 320 to 380 Nm of torque, allowing it to reach a top speed of 220 km per hour. It offers two driving modes: a sport mode that accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2 seconds, making it faster than most high-performance sports cars, and the normal mode, optimized for efficient city driving, providing a smoother ride. Despite its power, the Seth remains lighter than a Toyota Land Cruiser, weighing only 1,405 kg compared to the Land Cruiser's 1,800 kg. What makes this car truly groundbreaking is its ability to supply external power, generating 15 kilowatts of energy, enough to power a house, potentially eliminating the need for home electricity bills. Additionally, at an estimated manufacturing cost of just $14,000 per unit, it is significantly cheaper than most EVs, making it an affordable option for mass production. The Zimbabwean government has moved beyond mere interest. It is now actively involved in the commercialization and distribution of this groundbreaking technology. Buyers from Zimbabwe, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and even Europe have already secured units, marking a significant milestone in the journey of this invention. However, despite the momentum, scientific skepticism remains a major hurdle. Critics argue that unless the technology undergoes rigorous peer review and independent testing, it may struggle to gain widespread acceptance in mainstream science and industry. If his Microsonic Energy Device truly functions as claimed, it could usher in a new era of limitless clean energy, making traditional fuel-based and even battery electric vehicles obsolete. Now that his technology has entered the mass production phase, its real-world impact is beginning to take shape. With a top speed of 220 km per hour, advanced driving features, and an estimated cost of just $14,000, the Seth car presents a compelling case for mass adoption, especially in developing nations where energy access remains a challenge. Beyond the science, the economic and political stakes are immense. If this technology is proven viable, it could disrupt the trillion-dollar fossil fuel industry, shift global energy power dynamics, and place Zimbabwe at the forefront of technological innovation. Now that distribution has begun, and machines are already being sold, the world is watching closely. Will this invention redefine transportation forever, liberating us from fossil fuels and battery dependency? Or will it be silenced by powerful interests, just as other disruptive technologies have been in the past? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: Sani Chikumbutso's invention has already started a global conversation that could shape the future of energy and mobility.